Hello everyone, welcome back to Hong Kong with Sam and me today with Amarjeet, my yoga teacher, are taking you to Hong Kong market modeled on the old Kowloon walled city which was demolished in the 80s, which was a very interesting place. No one had any authority over that. The British had by then the control of all of Hong Kong, but not of the walled city. The Chinese emperors, of course, had no control on the walled city. So that was a lawless den, known for, you can see, very small houses built by no engineers, with clothes hanging. They have remodeled this market on the old Kowloon walled city. This is not old, this is only a model, a restructure, but quite an interesting place to come. And I think anyone, especially Hong Kongers, who want to have an idea of the history of Hong Kong should come here. And see, even the signage are in the old style. Very small dwelling units, all ceilings. Kowloon walled city was given a general amnesty and demolished. See, even every gate, everything has been remodeled on those old structures. Doing very brisk business now. Flowers, fruits, meat, name it, they have it. Most of the signboards, not in today's Hong Kong, the city of neon lights style, but in the old Kowloon walled city style. Kowloon walled city was a very dense structure of interconnected, not skyscrapers, but 9, 10, 12-story buildings connected by their rooftops, with no civic community, as no one had a control over that. Neither British nor, of course, the Chinese, who had ceded the territory to the British. Nam Kok Road in the old Kowloon walled city, Boundary Street, same there. The houses in the old Kowloon cities were like this. Yeah, this is an exact replica, only this big, nothing more, nothing less. Super crowded, no waste or garbage disposal system was there. So even dentists, there were not a single trained dentist or doctors in the walled city. So people had to rely on quackery. Goshen Road. So I think this is done for now.